This one's right on the golf course. Another rancher.
You be dancing if you walked in my shoes. If you don't know how I do, you'll know how I do soon. I got that kind of thing that stops you in your tracks. My brain on tomorrow, no, I'm never looking back. Don't hate on me, cause I'm just telling facts. If you want a dad, baby, now is your chance. I'm always here to play. You're gonna know my name. I'm ready for today. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Beautiful tub.
Got him watching now. It's better, 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 better than ever before.
Oh yeah? That's pretty fun. So here we go. We're at the front of the property. There's the for sale sign on the road. And we've got this great turnaround. So I'll go this way so we can really look at the house. Ah, isn't she cute? Such curb appeal. She's got great curb appeal. Really adorable. Really nice landscaping. I know you can't tell right now, but you can tell how clean it is. And when it blooms, it's all reds and pinks. We were lucky enough to get some footage of it all bloomed. Lots of apple trees.
Instead of 190. This way?
So I technically can't do rental because I don't have a rental license, but Nate can rent his own house. So we got some applications.
Come on and move like the power of the river. Anything is possible.
Whitewash brick. This is such an easy trick. If anybody wants to do this, you can buy a special paint. It's totally a do-it-yourself. Great statement piece. Great rental house. There's just so much privacy with all the land.
And that it's so quiet, right? It's just such a quiet lot.
And to get a full turnaround in the driveway.
And you could even do it like a double, right? Like there has the one, you could do a secondary entrance and then have an entrance and an exit.
I'm so excited for Nate. This is his very first place and we scored here. This is a great investment property. And yes, he did buy it sight unseen. He never even saw it before he bought it. Not even 5 minutes from the ferry to get here.
My insurance provider.
Did you tell them there was a well?
I didn't know. I did lie. I lied about the fireplace because I had no choice about that.
Look at this house. So this is one of the great rooms. But then check this out. Da-na-na-na. Wow. This is seriously a gem of a purchase. You're so lucky. Look how much yard is on this side too.
Come on and move like the power of the river. Anything is possible. Anything is possible.
Get out, gotta know when to get out. Got you in my rear view. Disappear in my rear view. Hey, I got the energy that make you wanna move. I got the chemistry that puts you in the mood. You be dancing if you walked in my shoes. If you don't know how I do, you'll know how I do soon. I got the kind of thing that stops you in your tracks. My brain on tomorrow, no, I'm never looking back. Don't hate on me, cause I'm just telling facts. If you want a dad, baby, now is your chance. I can't help it. I can't help it.
Carrie Kate's. I love this place though. I don't mind coming here. It's pretty luxe. One day I may live here. I really wish I could have moved into Lee's place. And we've got showings. And how did that happen? Already. Seriously. I'm looking really cute today. Let's go. Guys, it's day 235 today. I'm not even going to the floor now. 1 second. Yeah, so day 235. Story of my life, walking through garages. And we've got a private garage in this one, which is sick. I love private garages. And I just, boom, there she is. I love my baby. And if I loved her, like I said I did, maybe I will go get her washed right now. Can you tell I live in the forest?